So in this InShot tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add music to a video here on InShot. So right here in InShot, I have my video right here. If I wanted to go ahead and add some audio or add some music, just pause the video, go to this left side where between canvas and sticker, press on audio, then press on music. Now you guys have the music library right here, so if I were to go ahead and just use this ambient right here, you can go ahead and select your sound. So I'll go ahead and press just a lifetime without you as an example. I will pause it, and then right where it says use right here, you might have to download it over here quick. I'm just going to go ahead and press on use. Now what you guys can see is as the audio is now added to the video, so we're going to go ahead and play the video right here. I've now added some audio or some music to the video here in InShot. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can add music to a video here on InShot. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.